Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Before starting this, if you haven't like our Facebook page CSC Guide, username is CSC Guide official, then like it, because in upcoming days I will share very informative videos or very informative posts here, so be quick. Okay, let's start our topic, and click on the first link. When you click on first link, you can see our website cscguideofficial.com, CSC scholarship admissions, president scholarship, and just online universities as well. So in this university, in this category, you can see all the universities having just online apply, no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee. Initial review, after initial review, 2 or 3 universities have fee. So first we discuss Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication President Scholarship. So click on this link, and when you click on this link, you can see the post like Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication CQUPT President Scholarship. Chongqing University is something else, and Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication CQUPT is something else. So this is the President Scholarship, and the authority is Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication President Scholarship, and the university name is Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication. The student category for undergraduate, master, and PhD students, fully funded scholarship, and fully funded 6,000 Chinese yuan for undergraduate per year, and 10,000 for master, and for PhD is very good opportunity, 3,500 RMB per month. So it's equal to it's same like CSC scholarship. So PhD, if you PhD students and other students also want to apply for this scholarship, then they can. Okay, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 15th of May 2020 is the last date, but apply as soon as possible, because you are if you apply as soon as possible, your chances of selection will be high. And you can see the result, like answer scholarship, the students who think that they apply in upcoming days, because 30th of April for answer scholarship is the last date, but UST has closed the application, because USTC have USTC 31st of March 31st of March is the deadline of USTC, but not for answer scholarship. So no, the students cannot apply for answer scholarship, because USTC has closed the application right now. Okay, now eligibility criteria for students, all international students can apply. Age limits, you can see bachelor for 25 for bachelor, master students 35 for master students, and 40 for PhD students. Okay, now how to apply for this scholarship, the main purpose of this story. Okay, first one, we fill the CSC online application form, Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication online application form. Click here. Okay, like this is the application form. Okay, how you fill this, I will give you the demo in this video, so don't worry about this. And after this application form for Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication, click here to download. If you not get download the form here, you can come on our CSC Guide Facebook page and download here. You can see this is the Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication President Scholarship application form. Okay, no application fee. Prepare all documents and send to the university email address. In which email address you send the documents, send your documents, I will tell you. All result will be announced at the end of July. No need to send hard copies. If you want to like our page directly, you can click here, and either you can also click here like page. Okay, now how you and which documents required for this scholarship. First of all, Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication online application form. This is the online application form. Click here and go to the portal, sign up, and after sign up, fill the online application form. And after that, application form for Chinese government scholarship, Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication President Scholarship. Okay, click here to download, or click here this one. So I will tell you how you fill this form, so don't worry about this. Highest certificate, transcript, study plan, recommendation letter, passport copy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, non-criminal certificate, record, HSK certificate, and other supporting documents. Okay, and this is the email address in which you send your documents, and the name of the email which you send is President Scholarship plus passport name plus nationality plus application subject. This is the email title in which you send to the university. Okay, how you fill this form? So how you fill this online application form, and at the end I will tell. So how you fill this scholarship application form. You can see this is a scholarship application form for president scholarship. So all this is from basic form. No, I think it's nothing difficult in this form. So and the select language of proficiency, Chinese proficiency, select none. So if you don't have any idea that how to check this form, select this box and insert symbol option and check. This is check the form. You just fill this on computer, not in handwritten. So both the form are type by computer. Okay. After that you sign in. How you sign in, I already make a video on this. Okay, how you fill this form, you can I think you it cleared everything. Okay, now came to Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication Municipal Government's Mayor Scholarship. So how you apply for this? All these categories are same like President Scholarship, Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication. Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication is the university name. Undergraduate, master and PhD students, all the students can apply fully funded scholarship. But for PhD students, the stipend is 35,000 RMB per month, and you can divide it into 12. You can get the stipend per month. Okay, for master students 30,000 RMB per month and per year, and for bachelor students 25,000 RMB per year. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee. All international students can apply. All the qualities are and the criteria are same like president scholarship. But the thing is a little different from Chongqing President Scholarship is that first you fill the CSC, Chongqing University Post and Telecommunication online application form is the same like this form. Okay, but application form for Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication Mayor Scholarship application form, click here to download, or click here. You can see Chongqing University, Chongqing Municipal Government Mayor Scholarship at CQUPT 2020 CSC Guide official. Click here to download. Okay, so I download it. So you can see the download section here. So download it means scholarship change. And scholarship change, form change. Okay, means president scholarship have own form, and Chongqing Municipal Government Scholarship Mayor Scholarship have own form. Okay, no application fee, prepared all required documents and sent to the university email address. All the result will be announced at the end of July. No need to send hard copies. You can if you page like our page, then click here. Okay, which documents required? First you fill Chongqing University online application form. Okay, and after that Chongqing University Municipal Mayor Scholarship application form, highest degree transcript. All the documents are same like president scholarship. So how you fill the form? Chongqing University Mayor Scholarship application form. All these information are same, basic information. No need to worry. Because this is very simple form. Your address, permanent address, institution from which you are graduated from to, and field of study, obtained degree, BSc, MSc, like that. Employer record, if you have any employer record, then type, otherwise leave it blank. Language proficiency, same like that, previous words. And after that check the form, like insert and symbol options, and all these other. If you attach all other documents like no criminal certificate record, criminal certificate record, and other things, and like employer certificate record, all these things, if you attach extra, then type here. Okay, hope so it's very important for you. So now we came to the point, application form for Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication online application form. Click here, and after clicking here and signing in, you can click on online application. When you click on online application, you can see the application. So I already make an application, so I delete it. So I click on application option. You select the self-funded option, because there is no option, because when you send your all documents and at the end, all you can see this mayor scholarship. Send your documents to this email address, and the title is Chongqing University Chongqing Scholarship. But in case of president scholarship is here president scholarship, but for mayor scholarship Chongqing scholarship plus passport name plus nationality plus application form sent to the university email address. And select self-sponsored, because when you fill the form and download this form, and attach or send this form with other documents like all the other documents with the mayor scholarship application form, your application will be considered as a mayor scholarship or president scholarship application form. So if you can apply for both mayor scholarship and president scholarship application form, but I suggest you can apply for one university at a time, for one scholarship at a time. So I select master. So I will give you the demo which documents they required. So I click on any one of the major and I go to the back and click on online application and click on the view. That will show you which documents required. Basic documents, all the very simple form, passport, copy of passport, officially certified certificate of highest diploma, official transcript, recommendation letter, study plan, no criminal certificate record, physical examination form, and the valid report of Chinese or English proficiency certificate, and other documents like acceptance letter if you have. If you don't have, then don't worry. English proficiency certificate is also attached here. So others, employer certificate record and other things. Okay, I hope so. All the other information are same, so don't worry. How you fill the complete form, the link in the description. So you will watch the video in the description link. So don't worry about this. I hope so you will get everything which I say. And if you get more information like president scholarship, just online apply universities, CSC scholarship admission, you can visit our website cscguideofficial.com and visit our YouTube channel, CSC Guide Official YouTube channel. So good luck and take care. If you stay connected, that's soon we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.